Welcome to Compare to Win. The best portable compact grill is probably one of the most versatile and convenient cooking appliances for anyone who loves to grill on the go, whether you're camping, tailgating, or simply enjoying a picnic in a park. Imagine savoring delicious, perfectly grilled meals wherever your adventures take you, without being weighed down by bulky equipment. This compact powerhouse delivers exceptional performance, allowing you to sear steaks, cook burgers, and even roast vegetables with ease, making it an indispensable tool for outdoor enthusiasts and food lovers alike who refuse to compromise on flavor or portability. Number 5. Aigostar Compact Electric Grill Tostadora de Pan. Craving a delicious, hot sandwich? This compact electric grill makes it incredibly simple to heat ingredients, melt cheese, and achieve a perfect crispy crust in just one easy press. Beyond traditional bread slices, you can toast English muffins, bagels, and even create delicious quesadillas. It's versatile enough for all your breakfast and snack needs. Forget the hassle of a frying pan. Get perfectly grilled sandwiches ready in 5 minutes or less. Indicator lights let you know when it's hot and ready to cook. Featuring non-stick cooking plates, food releases effortlessly, making cleanup a breeze. You won't need oil or butter, promoting healthier meals. The cool touch handle ensures safe use. Its compact size allows for upright storage, making it ideal for dorm rooms, RVs, or any kitchen. Enjoy convenient portability and a great cooking experience wherever you go. With a 750-watt motor and automatic thermostat, it's perfect for grilling more than just sandwiches. Try eggs, chicken breasts, steaks, or even paninis and focaccia. What we like. This breakfast sandwich maker heats up in minutes for a quick and delicious meal. Its non-stick plates make cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for a fast, easy way to make hot sandwiches at home or on the go, this is the perfect choice for busy mornings. What people say. It heats up in about 2 minutes. A light comes on letting you know when to put sandwich in. It cooks perfectly in 3 minutes. The 2-in-1 functionality effortlessly transitions between a panini press and a sandwich maker, accommodating a wide array of ingredients and recipes. The intuitive design and non-stick plates mean that even the most novice cooks can achieve delicious results with minimal effort. The cleanup process is just as straightforward. A simple wipe down with a damp cloth restores it to pristine condition, ready for its next use. Number 4. Wealers Camp Kitchen Cooking Utensil Set Organizer. Introducing the Wealers Camp Kitchen Cooking Utensil Set. It neatly organizes and holds all your essential cooking utensils in one convenient place, protecting them from damage. This versatile kit is perfect for a wide range of activities, from camping and hiking to sporting events and BBQs. It's the ideal accessory for any outdoor culinary adventure. Crafted from tough woven cotton, it provides excellent protection for your utensils against the elements and accidental falls. Its multiple compartments ensure everything stays secure and doesn't rattle during transport. With its contemporary design and vibrant multicolored pattern, this organizer adds a stylish touch to your outdoor gatherings. It's a fashionable accessory that complements any setting. Designed for portability, it fits easily into luggage or can be carried by hand. It's perfect for family outings, picnics, and camping trips, making outdoor cooking a breeze. This organizer is also dishwasher safe and cleans easily, ensuring it remains fresh and ready for your next adventure. Its sleek design allows for simple storage. What we like. This utensil organizer keeps all your cooking tools neatly in place, protected, and easy to access. Its rugged design is perfect for any outdoor adventure. If you love camping, backpacking, or tailgating and want to keep your grilling essentials organized and safe, this is the ideal companion. What people say. Every utensil is thoughtfully designed for outdoor cooking, and the set includes everything you need, from spatulas to tongs, to a knife and a bottle opener. One of the best features is the compact, travel-friendly design. Everything fits perfectly into the included pouch, which makes it incredibly easy to pack and store in your camping gear. The scissors alone are some of the tightest and best I have had, and even prefer them over KitchenAid and OXO brand scissors I have at home. The knives are extremely sharp and can cut tomatoes without smashing them and tough things like raw potatoes with ease. Number 3. Cuisinart Petite Gourmet Portable Gas Grill. Enjoy a generous 150 square inch cooking surface, perfect for grilling up to 8 burgers or 10 chicken breasts at once. It's ideal for feeding the whole family. This grill features a 5,500 BTU burner that heats up quickly and provides consistent grilling temperatures. The twist-to-start ignition makes it easy to get going. Designed for life on the go, it folds down compactly for easy transport. The integrated lid latch and carry handle ensure secure and convenient portability. Get grilling in under 10 minutes with tool-free assembly. The folding legs and sturdy briefcase-style handle make setup and transport a breeze. Cleanup is a snap thanks to the dishwasher-safe cooking grates. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your perfectly grilled food. What we like. This portable gas grill offers a generous cooking area and heats up quickly with its powerful burner. The folding design and carry handle make it incredibly easy to transport. If you need a compact yet capable grill for camping, BBQs, or family outings, this one offers convenience and performance. What people say. The portability here is so nice. Going on a road trip? To a friend's house across town? Just on the tiny porch outside? Easy and simple, just pop the legs out and fire it up. Despite its small size, the 5,500 BTU burner heats up incredibly fast and distributes heat evenly across the 150 square in. Stainless steel cooking surface. The legs fold up and lock securely, and the built-in carry handle makes transporting it genuinely effortless. It feels like carrying a small suitcase. Setup takes literally 30 seconds. Number 2. Pit Boss Grill's 75275 2-burner portable grill. Introducing the Pit Boss Grill's 75275, your ultimate portable grilling companion. It offers ample cooking space for all your favorites. Getting started is a breeze with its easy push-and-turn ignition. Simply turn the knobs and you're ready to cook. Equipped with 2 stainless steel burners, it delivers an impressive 20,000 BTUs of cooking power. It runs efficiently on propane. Crafted with a durable stainless steel body, handle, and folding legs, this grill is designed for longevity and convenience. It features a built-in dome thermometer for precise temperature control and a stainless steel flame tamer. The cooking grid is also stainless steel for easy cleanup. A convenient grease management tray is included to make cleaning up after your cookout simple and mess-free. With its compact dimensions and lightweight design, it's perfect for any adventure. Take great grilling wherever you roam. What we like. With 2 powerful burners delivering 20,000 BTUs, this grill provides ample cooking space for larger gatherings. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity. If you're looking for a robust portable grill that can handle cooking for a crowd with high heat and efficiency, this is an excellent option. What people say. It is plenty big and will cook for maybe 4 people. This 2-burner Pit Boss portable grill is a great stainless steel addition to our RV camping. Great size grill, easy to clean and fit enough of food for a family of 6. Number 1. Coleman Fold & Go 6000 BTU Portable Propane Grill. Introducing the Coleman Fold & Go Portable Propane Grill. It's designed for ultimate convenience, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. Despite its compact size, this grill delivers a powerful 6,000 BTUs of heat. You'll have 105 square inches of grilling surface to cook all your favorites. Achieve perfect results every time with the adjustable horseshoe burner. It ensures even heating and precise temperature control for delicious meals. Forget matches or lighters. The Insta-Start button ignites the grill with a simple push, getting you cooking in no time. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the removable, dishwasher-safe cooking surface and grease tray. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your food. Whether it's a backyard barbecue, a camping trip, or a tailgate party, this grill is your perfect companion. Its lightweight design and built-in handle make it easy to take anywhere. What we like. This lightweight gas grill heats evenly with its adjustable horseshoe burner and starts up instantly with the push of a button. Cleanup is simple thanks to the removable, dishwasher-safe parts. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use grill for camping, tailgating, or beach trips, this one offers great portability and convenience. What people say. It has a surprisingly large grilling area, very adequate for cooking for a couple or small family. I appreciate the fact that the bottom drip pan is designed to come out for easy cleaning. The grill and drip pan fit in a kitchen sink for soaking or washing. I'm impressed with the fact that everything needed for grilling except the propane tank fits comfortably inside the grill, resulting in a wonderfully compact package with a very small footprint when stood on end. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.